Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to use the Words app, a fun and addictive word game that challenges your vocabulary and spelling skills. Let's get started. Words app is a mobile word puzzle game where players connect letters to word form words. It's designed to boost vocabulary, spelling and cognitive skills while being fun and engaging. You can play solo or challenge friends too. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search Words on your search bar at the top of your page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open it up. Once opens it up, sign up with the email, Google or Facebook account or play as a guest. On the home screen, tap play or start game. You'll see a grid of letters. Swipe across letters to form valid words. The app will highlight valid words and award points for each correct word. Each level may have specific goals like finding all words or reaching a target score. Now to use hint and boosters, tap the hint icon if you're stuck to reveal letters or words. Some levels offer boosters to help solve tricky puzzles faster. Use them wisely to progress through harder levels. The app tracks your level progression, points and achievements. Earn coins and start to unlock new levels or special challenges. Some versions allow daily rewards for logging in and playing consistently. Some versions of Words app let you challenge friends or compete with players worldwide. You can compare scores on leaderboards and aim for top rankings. Focus on longer words for higher points. Play daily to improve vocabulary and earn rewards. Use hints strategically on hard levels to save points. And that is how you can use the Words app step by step. It's fun, educational and perfect for passing time while improving your vocabulary. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.